Hi everyone! Today we're going to be making Circus Peanut Jello Salad. What all goes into Circus Peanut Jello Salad? 32 circus peanuts plus 12 to garnish, 1/4 cup hot water, 1 3-ounce orange Jello gelatin mix, 3/4 cups boiling water, 16-ounce crushed pineapple. This is a 20-ounce, so I won't be using the whole can, and 1 container of Cool Whip, and you want it softened. So let's begin. The first thing you want to do is take a 13 by 9 pan and spray it with cooking spray. You want to take your 32 circus peanuts and roughly chop them up and put them in a bowl. I went ahead and mangled them. I actually cut them into about thirds. And then you want to take your 1/4 cup hot water and pour it over the circus peanuts. And put your bowl in the microwave. And heat it for a minute. You want it melted and smooth, and if it's not melted in a minute, you can go ahead and add more microwave time. And it is nice and melted. We'll set that aside. Get another bowl. And you want to go ahead and dump your orange Jello in the bowl. This is a retro recipe. Back in the 50s and 60s, the mother, when she made Jello, always put something in it, whether it was carrots or pineapple or Cool Whip. They always put something in it. And so this actually stems back from that. And you want to go ahead and pour your 3/4 cups boiling water in on the powdered Jello and stir that until it's dissolved. Then you want to take your Jello mix and pour it into the candy mix and stir that until thoroughly mixed. And that helps because with the candy melting as it was sitting there, it was cooling and getting a little bit hard. So with the hot Jello, it'll help it get soft again. Then in another bowl, you want to go ahead and dump your 16 ounces of crushed pineapple and your 1 container of softened Cool Whip. Mine's not real soft yet, but stirring it up should get it softened a little bit more. And mix that until it's thoroughly combined. And I went ahead and put it in a bigger bowl because now you're going to take your pineapple and whipped cream and put it in the Jello candy mix, and we'll just fold that into it. Kind of hard to find out where I need to keep my arm away so it's not in your line of sight. And I'll finish folding that in. And we take our prepared greased pan and pour the salad mix in. Now, sometimes circus peanuts are hard to find because they are retro type candy as well. I did get a big bag at Baumgar's, and then I did find a smaller bag at Walmart. So go ahead and smooth that out. Finish giving a little bit stir if you see any whipped cream that's not incorporated. Then you put it in the refrigerator until it is set and well chilled. Alright, so it is all set up and we have the 12 circus peanuts on the top for garnish. We'll go ahead and let my husband give it a taste test. So here is the Circus Peanut Jello Salad. It is a retro southern recipe.
That's pretty good. Does it have pineapple in it?
Yeah, it's got circus peanuts, pineapple, orange jello, and Cool Whip.
That's an interesting combination, but it's good. I like it.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.